friends from other districts or even from within the same district. So kuman, now is your chance to express yourself, no? Again, kuman na ni kayo na pwede nimo ipakita kung sino o unsa ang imong gibati. So, mag-start kita kang Kara. Hi, Kara. Kagwapa ni Kara, no? Oh, Koreana ka, Kara? Koreana ka?
Half.
Half?
Unsay ako half, pero like,
waya siya kabayo. Nonchalant. Oh, sorry. Okay. Ano
Sino
pa?
iba?
Pwede mag-requestan bangko.
bangko kuno ko yung Jeff.
Ano ko man? Sabi din ate.
Pangita dito, Jeff. Pangita dito.
Ilahin ako naman dyan ang bangko. Hindi mo iya.
Okay.
Bago ng isa.
Okay, Sir Skitty Marie, kidding, 4, 3, 2, sing!
Hi, Jade. My favorite comforter. My safe place. My ranter, of course. Thank you for listening to my rants. Every time na may like kung unsay nasa ko mind, may story ako gadget sa imo, like I'm so random sa imo, like I can tell you everything like about myself. I mean, like first day po na to sa church, I can feel na we're going to be a great friend. I mean, you are a great friend of mine. I very much appreciate you and I love you so much. And
10 over 10.
I just want to say na please katong ako gi-advise sa imo, please like sunda to kay it's for the better. And wala na ko ilain maingon basta kay I just love you and you are the best friend ever.
Skitty Marie, kido. I love you in the morning, afternoon. Why labot sa ay daday.
Bye. Hello. Ay, tagsugo ra ko.
Ingkod ka, ingkod.
Wala. O, era. Kuan. Ay, makita din sa kumama. Kuan. Hi, pre. Kuan. Thank you for... Charot. Kuan ra ka nang. Thank you for being kind sa ako and treating me right. Hoy, Delisa! Kano bang kanang rabbit treating me left?
Bare minimum man ang taking
friend sa ako and amura bay kanang God bless.
Kumusta sa banay? Okay. Response.
Basta ako nagyapon.
Okay. Oh, yasot siya. Okay, pwede na Johnny mo ipasa John flower sa lain. Okay. Skitty Marie.
Pasa sa bahay. Uy, ipasa-pasa ra na.
Ibot na siya ng event. I love you in the morning, I love you afternoon, I love you. Iskira marikiling kiling, iskira marikidu, I love you. I love you in the morning, I love you afternoon. Waya kami kakita, kay waya gidara dire. Hey, iskira marikiling kiling, iskira marikidu, I love
Na maguyab.
Gadulanay diri ay paipasa ang buyak. Award or not, and if not, kami na kan, Charis. Kami na ka na magdawat. So, asa na ang Team Yellow? Alay, balit awik. Team Blue! Isa ra kan? Kabayo ba ka muna ang champion ko man, Team Blue? Kaya tapos isa ra kan? Usap. Asang purple! Nasagot ka mo sila champion? Dili, no? Competitive ka dyan, no? How about Team Green? Oh, kailangan ko. Ano pa yung isa ka, team? Ako favorite color. Bago na. How about Team Orange? Let's start with the result sa synchronized game. Kainay na duwa, synchronized game. For station 1, 5th place, purple. 4th place, yellow. 3rd place, green. 2nd place, orange. 1st place, blue. Station 1 ka sa 2. Station 2. Tie in the same place, yellow and orange. 3rd place, green. 2nd place, purple. 1st place, the blue. For the 3rd station, 5th, green. 4th, orange. 2nd, 3rd, yellow. 2nd ang blue. Kaya ang 1st, purple. For the 4th station, grabe naman ito ni Juna kinamangay. Amo ba ini? No, sorry. Sa litson ini, 4th station. 5th place, green. 4th place, yellow. 3rd place, purple. 2nd place, blue. And orange got the 1st place. Grabe ang strategy, no? And for kamang-kamang, kinsa kay pinaka-uptik mo kamang, napaabot ako. 5th place, blue. 4th place, green. 3rd place, yellow. 2nd place, ang purple. Uptik mo kamang ang orange. And for the overall winner sa ato synchronized games. Synchronized games pa ni champion. Okay. For the overall winner sa ato synchronized game, in 5th place, Team Green. In 4th place, Team Yellow. In 3rd place, 1 first, 2 ka 2nd, isa ka 3rd, isa ka 5th, Team Purple. And in 2nd place, In second place, nakakuha sila ng 2 ka first, 1 ka fourth, 1 ka fifth, sanan 1 ka second. Team Orange, that is the champion for our synchronized game is from my favorite color, Team Blue! Okay na to. Let's have the official results sa ato Talents Night. Laguan na ta, ha? In the same place, tie in 4th place. Congratulations, Team Green and Team Blue. Get your prizes. Team Green, representative sa Team Green, sa ng Team Blue. Dawatan, isa kasako na artista ka gadyo. Medyo gani kay lumonta. Pero ako lumon nakawatan ng kuwan. In 3rd place, congratulations! Congratulations in 3rd place, Team Orange! And 2nd place, kindly get your award.
Go, Basoy!
Kindly get your award, Team Purple. You are in 2nd place. That means that the winner for our Talents Night is from Team Yellow. Why ano yung mag-abre, ha? Sila kung matanong, tuloy, happy birthday! Last picture na natin,
Special! Ito yung gamay, Kati!
Congratulations sila yan sa tanang effort na Easy Paghima just to make this Talents Night a much remembered one. Announcing the official results for our Bible games. Official result rin sa ato Bible games, ha?
Yes, daw kami.
In 5th place sa Bible games, Team Yellow.
Yay!
Amo, Jeff. Yung kay Wait, yung ako doon.
Yellow. In 4th place, Team Blue.
Yes, yes.
In 3rd place, Team Green. And in 2nd place, Team Orange. That means our champion for the Bible games is from Team Purple.
Yay!
Oh, isa lang. For the volleyball, okay, for the volleyball, tie in 4th place, Team Orange and Team Green. And 3rd place is from Team Purple. Second place is from Team Yellow. And the champion sa volleyball is from Team Blue. Kindly get your prize.
Di ba nakablock?
Atong gamay lang.
Di ba na siya yung sagot? Away.
Pero ang player di ay sa volleyball? Isa.
Elvin, adyaw ka dun na gara-gara luloy, oy, para bagasot kita nag-shot luloy. Okay, ang champion sa basketball, Team Purple.
Yay!
Dili mo? Oh, taglamaan ko ka mo.
I'm sorry.
For basketball, tie in fourth place, yellow and purple. Third place, blue. Second place, ang green. Sakto si Elvin. And the champion, Team Orange. Kindly get your prize, Team Orange. Your prize. Nasaya ba sa sila pagsuyat? And then, ang champion sa Amazing Race, kindly get your prize. Team Blue.
Jonas, kaya kinagbibito yan.
Obsessed kami. No? Anyways, for the overall champion, magdawat gapon ka mo ng prize.
Dili na.
Ausat. For the overall result, in 5th place, congratulations Team Yellow. Kindly get your prize. Yellow.
Dali
Team
mo chicks.
Yellow.
Sorry chicks. Ay. Para video na lamang.
Apil kakit.
Kaya talaga sa Johnny Duke ay the amount is worth it. Charis. Dito. Fourth place is from Team Green.
Thank you chicks. Sorry ka din chicks. Kay kuan. Sige kayo kung magpa-ingat. For memories. Nga po.
Di amo dyan ang una tagputus. Third place.
Anak, masugo.
Who do you think is on third place? Congratulations, third place, Team Blue.
Yay!
Team Blue. One champion overall, Team
Purple!
Team Purple! Ito ay santanan nato pagpadawat. Uy, hapit mo lato talato kuhan. Same job president. And paunaw na ito pagpadawat. Hoy, pag-uyat mo anay ka mo. Kung tala ko maniid. Paunaw na ito pagpadawat. And second place, Team Orange. Kindly get your prize. Juliana.
Say orange.
Orange.
Arriba, arriba.
Purple go. Arriba, arriba. Go purple go. Arriba, arriba. Okay, just to remind everyone na nga to sub-theme is pro nature kita, no? And then ato prize is Philip Kanat. So, amo ray tabot na apan abre-abre sa they deserve it. Who deserves you?
Si Ja.
But it doesn't mean na natapos na nato ay sabini. Continue pa nato to. May problema. Silent lagi ni Jo. Gipang bahin-bahin pa.
Basura. Palihog sa inyong basura.
Diyan may ato mga sako sa kilid. Ato dito global song sa Tawag ng Tanghalan 2023. 2020.
Headset.
Rainbow Voice.
Ngaday na. Mata mo isa kamay. Sure. Check. 1, 2, 3. Mga panahipang pagkate. Check. Okay.
Ang wali kamang dito pa sa kumutro.
Thank you, Ben. Ako nag-inig. Naambag ka, Diyos. Okay naman na ito. Baby, no. Tungkol pa ko na sa mga nag-share ako na sa iyo. Thank you, Ben. Gamit, nag-ring nag-award. Wala mo na. Nagbahin-bahin ako tayo. Go on. Bye. Bye-bye, Te.